friends, hello students, hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel 8th Standard Mastermind. In the last two parts we studied about history and civics, chapter number 1, sources of history. Okay, we studied a lot about it. We completed the part material sources, and in this video we will complete return sources. Okay, so let's get started without any further ado. The following aspects are included in the written sources of modern Indian history. This means that whatever is included in the modern Indian history written sources, whatever it is, so it is given in this chart. So you have to read the chart. So what are all they? Let us read. Written sources include correspondence, foreign accounts, newspapers, biographies, periodicals, factory records, autobiographies, and books. Now, books and autobiographies is the best example for the written source. Next is given newspapers and periodicals. Newspapers provide us information about the contemporary events. Along with the detailed analysis of a particular event, views of eminent people, editorials are also published. That means that at the in the olden times, newspaper used to provide, and now also they provide, but I'm going to talk about the modern Indian history, so let us move there. They provide information about what all events exactly happened and detailed analysis of the particular event and what all views were given by the people, by the great leaders and all that, and editorials were also published. We get information about the political, social, economic and cultural happenings of that period. That means whenever we take out the newspaper of the modern Indian history, we will get information about the political, what all used to happen in the politics, social, economic and cultural happenings, means what used to happen in the day-to-day life, that was also used to be explained or given in the newspaper, and now also it is given. In the pre-independence period, newspapers like Jnanoday, Jnan Prakash, Amrit Baza Patrika, Deen Bandhu Kesari acted as an important source of awakening the minds of the people. Before the independence, some newspapers were there like Jnanoday, Jnan Prakash, Amrit Baza Patrika, Deen Bandhu Kesari. They all acted as an important source of awakening the minds of the people. They used to give information and they used to give motivation to the people to participate in the independence time, in the independence work. Okay, through the newspapers we can study the British policies regarding India and their effects of India. While reading those newspapers, we may also come to know about the British policies. British created some policies, and that there were some good policies, some bad policies. Okay, so that we will come to know when we read the newspapers, and what all were the effects on India. During the British period, newspapers were not only the source of political events but also acted as a source of social reformation. Now, during that time, during the modern period, during the British period, newspapers were not only the source of political events, मतलब कि political के information ही नहीं दी जाती थी newspapers में, बल्कि कुछ ऐसे social reformation के लिए भी यूज़ किया जाता था newspaper को, जैसे The Nibandhamala by Vishnu Shastri Chiplunkar and Shastapatre written by Lokitwadi Alice Gopal Deshmukh in the weekly Prabhakar comments on various social and cultural issues. Now let us know a big box is given. So let us study that because that is also important. Okay. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar and newspapers. In January 1920, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar started a fortnightly Muknayak. But later, Dr. Ambedkar had to leave for higher studies to England, and hence he handed his newspaper to his colleges. In April 1927, Dr. Ambedkar started a newspaper, Bahishkrut Bharat. Now what does this mean? This means that Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar studied a fortnight paper. Fortnight means once in a week. That paper name was Muknaik. But later he had to leave India and go to England for his higher studies. So what he did, he handed the paper to his colleagues, to a trusted person and then to his trusted colleagues, and then he went to study. In April 1927, Dr. Ambedkar started a newspaper Bahishkrit Bharat. In 1927, he started a paper called Bahishkrit Bharat. Through the medium of Bahishkrit Bharat, he wrote for the reformation of common people and bringing unity among them. So he used Bahishkrit Bharat to bring unity among the people. Apart from this, he also started two more newspapers, namely Janta and Prabuddha Bharat. Okay. So Bahishkrit Bharat's image is given. Okay, you have to see that. Next is maps and drawings. Map is also regarded as an important source of history. The changing nature of a city or a particular location can be traced through maps. Maps is also important in the source of history because they give the nature of the city. Like how the city exactly is. The Survey of India was an independent department established during the British period. Now, the Survey of India was an independent department during our pre-independence. Through scientific methods of survey, they have created maps of India. Means they created maps by scientific survey. Various provinces of India, Indian cities, etc. Similarly, the plans designed by the architects prove important from the view of study of architecture of a building as well as phases of development processes. Now, the architectures at that time really has designed the map in such a way that it is used now also. Okay. What does page number 3 says? Let us see. Okay. For example, the Department of Mumbai Port Trust has the original plan of the Bombay Port. Information about development of Bombay city can be understood through the plans drafted by architects and engineers. Now in the next part we will be seeing oral sources, that is the fourth video, that is the fourth part which will be covering for this chapter. In that we are going to see the oral sources, and the answers will be also given in the next part, I think, if we get time. Okay, so meet you then. Bye, take care, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.